And staying in the United States, tomorrow we could receive a word from a grand jury on whether it will indict Darren Wilson, the officer who shot and killed Michael Brown. Here's our correspondent in Ferguson, Alexandra Hall.
Residents here in Ferguson are still waiting each day for that impending verdict from a grand jury on what will be the fate of Darren Wilson, the police officer who shot and killed an unarmed black teenager, Michael Brown, here in August. On Wednesday, a human rights group said that police must respect the right of protesters to peacefully demonstrate once an announcement is made. They also said that there were serious problems with the way that law enforcement responded to initial protests here in August. As we know, for the past 3 months, organizers have been training activists in nonviolent civil disobedience techniques. Law enforcement have also reportedly undergone extra hours ahead of unrest after a probable non-indictment verdict. On Thursday afternoon, police departments outside of Missouri, including the Atlanta Metro Police, met to discuss a collective plan of action in the event that there is unrest. And meanwhile, protests and rallies are being organized in major cities all across the United States once that announcement is made. In Ferguson, I'm Alexandra Hall for Telesur.